I hope my audio is recording. So we started from Delhi and approximately covered about 225 235 kilometers from Delhi. We are somewhere on the way to Haridwar and we'll be taking the Chilla Dam route towards Rishikesh. The final destination is Chopta in Uttarakhand. As per Google Map, it says it's about 205 kilometers from here and it will take about little more than 5 hours. We'll take few breaks in between, so we should be reaching the destination in 7 hours.
Since this is going to be my first video, I can only learn from my mistakes. So hopefully whatever I do is likable enough for you guys, and hope you enjoy the ride and the travel that I do.
So this is Rajaji National Park. That's the entrance of the national park. There are gypsies here for the local tour.
I am on this ride with my friends Christopher and Dinesh. We have crossed Haridwar and we have taken the Chilla Dam route. We just crossed the Chilla Dam and you can see on the right is the Ganga Canal. The reason we took this route is because it's beautiful, it's scenic, though it's a longer route, but it's still worth it. This route should be avoided in monsoons because there's a water crossing, where the water flow increases so much that the road gets closed. Okay, I forgot to record the ride, so we'll just stop by at the hotel and let you know.
Alright, I think the plan is to take up cottages somewhere here. And
Morning, guys. Hello, hi everybody. Good morning. My name is Varun. I'm standing right now somewhere near Chopta, a place called Mokanath village. We started yesterday from Delhi. Rode around 470 kilometers to this place. It's a beautiful village right before Chopta. Hopefully, the ride was to catch some snow, view some snow, do some snow riding. Yesterday, I did record some video on the action camera. However, the footage turned out to be not so good since the angle of the camera was pointed downwards. Hopefully, I would be able to capture some footage this time. We had been staying in this place, Trishul Resort, so it's more like a homestay. It was pretty good. The room was decent enough. It was off-season rate of 600 rupees, and we were three people staying in the same room. The food was okay, pretty good. I'll show you the views around this place. So we reached here around 5 p.m. around 5-6 p.m. The road to this place was little difficult, a little off-road patches, but we didn't make it fine. We rode around 14 hours to reach this place. We started at 4 and around 5-6 p.m. we were here. These are the bikes right now, all packed up, set to go for our day 2. So that's my KTM 390 Adventure. That's the Bullet 350, Royal Enfield Bullet 350, and that's the other bike, that's the Avenger 220. So we'll start the journey and hopefully we get to see some snow. I wanted to show some more additional footage of the terrace farming that's going on. These are mustard plants. There is a lot of terrace farming here and a lot of mustard plantations. The view of the hills from here once again, and it's difficult to view, but if you see on the top there are some patches of snow there, a little far away. So we ride towards those spots.
So we started journey, second day ride, to do some snow spotting. Yeah. So the villagers have told us there is some snow, or I actually caught a lot of snow up on the top, and they've been saying that the bikes and cars have not been able to go all the way. So people are actually going on foot. So let's see how far we can go. I mean, obviously the roads are, they are good enough. I mean, you can't go fast on these roads. There's a lot of gravel there, and the areas tend to slip if you go onto the gravel. So we need to be careful. Oh, I can see the peaks from here as well. Right there. So those peaks are surely about 50 to 100 kilometers away. Can't make it. I took a day off from work, and so I took a 3-day trip, planned a 3-day trip. So that's how far we could go. I mean, if we had a 4 or 5 days trip, we could have gone to the proper ranges of Himalayas. Any of them. A lot of places, a lot of options. But we opted for some place close by. Okay, what I can see is we are climbing higher, much higher. Looks beautiful. We started spotting snow on the road already. Few patches where there's no sun through. So my fellow experienced riders, they have warned me to be careful. Go slow. If you spot snow, take it slow. Right there. Look, there's some snow here. my fuel range is dropping drastically. So when we started, it was around 180 kilometer range. We hardly covered like 10 kilometers. It's down to 120. Hopefully, that's not the true range. I have more fuel to manage. It's very difficult to find fuel stations nearby. Anyway, the ride's been very wonderful till now. The roads have kind of very much improved from what we had earlier when we climbed up this range. So that's Christopher leading the way, and behind me there is Dinesh. Yep, there are snow patches once again. So the snow's kind of melted away. I think if we go higher, we'll find more. Let's see. Chopta, it says 18 kilometers. Oh, that's a langur. That's a langur. Let's not look at the langurs. Oh. There is no. We'll take it slow. It's going to be getting difficult up there. Wow, that's beautiful. For me, this is first time I'm getting to see snow. So it's an experience in itself. Snow is coming onto the road. I have to be more careful. No black ice as such yet. That also will be a first time experience. Okay, there's tree gone. Yep, it's dropping down. Yeah, I got the camera angle right, hopefully. It's difficult getting the camera angle right. I mean, it keeps dropping down. The roads have been bad. It's an amazing view on the left hand side. There's a deep valley down there. You need to be careful not to go over the snow. Okay, finally I get to see black ice. Oh, the color of the road is such difficult to see which is the black ice, which is not. So anyways, I'll keep an eye on the road more. चलेंगे गिरने दो 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 गिरने दो